Alright, well, I got this as a freebie with the El Camino. Had to dig it out of some trees. If you follow on Instagram, I put a picture of exactly how it was before we dragged it out of there. So the guy said it's been on that property since he's lived there, and it's been a long time. As far as I can tell, it's a Sears Gilera, something like that. Gilera. Yeah, so that, I'm pretty sure that's the size is 106. I did just a little bit of research on it, nothing much. Kind of a goofy little carburetor. Just in case somebody wants to look that up. Kind of a cool little flip tank, and it's really hard to see, but the tank actually doesn't look rusted out at all. So I don't know, but it's kind of cool. It's got these old chopper-like bicycle handlebars on it. The other thing is, best I can tell, is it's between 66 and 69. There's no real numbers on the little bit of research I looked up. The old seat there is just some springs. It's missing a whole bunch of stuff, but the old kickstand stand is still there, and that's kind of cool. Passenger pegs. I'm guessing that's the kickstart. I don't know if that's factory. It's probably got a hole in it. Somebody put that on there for it to quit leaking oil. But anyways, you know, it was free, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to see if it'd ever fire over. What the heck is this thing? Huh. I'll have to see if I got a wrench or... My fingers are too weak. I'm a weakling. Oh, me. Well, bag of tools. Huh. Looks like some tire spoons, maybe. Oh, that's kind of cool. Some other crap in there. I bet that thing hasn't been open in forever. Well, anyways, I thought I'd just make a quick little teaser video on it. Like I said, and the other thing about this motor is, I thought it was a 2-stroke, but I'm pretty sure it's got valves in it, kind of like a Briggs & Stratton motor. And the reason I say that is because the spark plug's way down there. So I think it'll be kind of fun to mess with. And who knows if it's got a magneto or anything. I mean, I may tear into it and right away just have to give up because it's missing way too much stuff, and I have no idea if you can even get parts for this. I haven't done really any other kind of looking. I can tell you it's going to be loud if I get it started though. But anyways, thought I'd just make a quick little video, and we're gonna go home and make a video on the new car there. So I just do this here in storage until I get everything figured out. So we'll definitely look at this some more though here pretty soon. So thanks for watching.